Hare Krishna. I'll be speaking about Prataparudra. Indradyumno Maharajo Jagannatarchakapura Jata Prataparudra San Sama Indrena Sodhuna. Indradyumna, who previously worshipped Lord Jagannath, was born as Prataparudra with the same opulence as Indra himself, as stated in the Gaur Ganodesh Dipika 118. In a Satyayug, during the second half of Brahma's lifetime, a certain king named Indradyumna was born into the dynasty of the sun. He ruled over the kingdom of Malwa and his capital at Avantipur. He was a great devotee of Vishnu, as was his priest Vidyapati. In the first half of Brahma's life, Jagannath had appeared as Neelachal, as Neel Madhav, with the purpose of delivering the conditioned souls of this world. He was served by a tribal king named Vishwavasu. Neel Madhav manifested the deity form of Jagannath through these three persons, Indradyumna, Vidyapati and Vishwavasu. The Lord appeared in three forms at the place known as Banki Mohan in order to show his mercy for King Indradyumna. These three deities are of course Balram, Subhadra and Jagannath. Prataparudra was an associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and is considered a branch of Gadadhar Pandit Goswami. During the Lord's lifetime, he was an independent king of considerable power. His capital city was Chutak, Kataka. He, his wives and sons were all devotees of Mahaprabhu. His chief wife, or Patamahishi, was named Gauri. She had 5 sons, the eldest of whom was named Purushottam Jana. This is mentioned in Bhakti Ratnakar 6.65. King Prataparudra accepted Kashi Mishra as his spiritual master and served him with great dedication. While staying at Puri, he would daily go to Kashi Mishra's house and massage his guru's feet after his midday meal. At this time, he would inquire about the state of Jagannath's service, etc. Prataparudra had a regular duty which he performed whenever he was at Neelachal. He would daily massage Kashi Mishra's feet and would hear a report on Jagannath's service, as in the Chaitanya Charitamrit. Mahaprabhu stayed at Kashi Mishra's house in a one-roomed cottage in a veranda. In Orison, such a small cottage is known as Gambhira. We also learn from Ramanand Ray's Jagannath Vallabh Nataka that Prataparudra was a mighty and heroic military leader, despite which he maintained a humble demeanor. He was a generous and open-hearted Vaishnav. It is also said that he was devoted to the promotion of learning. Every one of Mahaprabhu's biographies states that he received the Lord's mercy. Kavi Karnapura also writes about Prataparudra's military qualities in his Chaitanya Chandroday Natak. He protected Brahmanical culture and was especially benevolent towards the Vaishnav culture. Many works of Vaishnav history dating to that period have given testimony that he was the object of affection for Mahaprabhu. Ramanand Rai, Kashi Mishra and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Many books have been attributed to Prataparudra, such as Saraswati Vilas, Pratap Martanda, Kautuka Chintamani, Nirnaya, Sangraha, etc. In fact, the first 2 of these books were written by 2 of his court scholars, Lola Lakshmidhar and Ramakrishna respectively. There is a legend that when Mahaprabhu left Puri for Vrindavan, Prataparudra felt such separation that he had a murti of the Lord made. He assigned 54 Brahmins to the service of this deity, as well as giving a large tract of land for its maintenance. In the royal palace at Puri, deities of Gaur Nityanand and Gaur Gadadhar are worshipped alongside numerous other images. Prataparudra's dream. In the 5th chapter of Antyakhand of Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vrindavan Das Thakur has described the king's deep desire to meet with the Lord, as well as a dream in which the king saw that the Lord Jagannath and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are non-different. The first time the king saw Mahaprabhu dance, he observed body covered in dust and his mouth filled with frothing saliva from his ecstatic dancing, and so felt some doubts. That very night, he saw Jagannath in a dream. Jagannath too was covered in dust and saliva. Then he saw the same dust covered form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sitting on Lord Jagannath's Simhasan along with the deity. From this amazing dream, he understood the divine nature of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jagannath said, "Just look, my body is covered with dust and saliva. You are a king and the son of a king. Surely it is not proper for you to touch someone like myself." Having said this, Lord Jagannath looked at his servant and laughed. In that very moment, the king saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sitting on the altar alongside the Lord. The king's humble service to Lord Jagannath. A devotee who is free from pride is surrendered and without any ulterior motive is eligible to receive the Lord's mercy. Dinere adhika daya kare Bhagavan, kulin pandit dhanir barya abhiman. The Lord bestows greater blessings on the meek and humble. Those who are well born, who are learned, and who are rich are filled with pride, as in the Chaitanya Charitamrita 3.4.68. Maharaj Prataparudra was without any pride, even though he had so much material power as well as possessing all good qualities. Mahaprabhu had noticed his willingness to engage in even menial service and was pleased with him and ready to give him his mercy, even though externally he made a show of being hard-hearted. Prataparudra, while Lord Jagannath was being carried from the throne to the car, he personally engaged in the Lord's service by sweeping the road with a gold-handled broom. He sprinkled the road with sandalwood-scented water. Although he was the owner of the royal throne, he engaged in such menial service. Although the king was the most exalted, respectable person, still he accepted menial service for Lord Jagannath and was therefore a suitable candidate for Jagannath's mercy. Mahaprabhu was happy to see the king's service to the Lord, and it was through his service that he finally received the mercy of the Lord. The Lord's mercy has no cause. Only he knows who will receive his blessings and when. Often he does so in an indirect manner rather than doing it openly. The Lord was pleased by the king's engagement of a menial service, and even though he did not make a public show of mercy to him, he did reveal his personal form to the king and thus fulfill his deepest desire. In this way, Maharaj Prataparudra received the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Thank you. Hare Krishna.